Hello, this is a 5-minute demo about some data analysis quick video. My name is Amr Osama. I'm a data analyst. Okay, so we will be taking today the Superstore data set that is available freely in Tableau desktop. And here is a few questions that we will answer. The first question is to show the sales by each city. The second question is to see what are the top 10 products that generate profit, and question number 3 is to use time series analysis to show trends. So I have already you see there is the sample Superstore data set available here. So what we will do is we'll start by answering the first. So the first question is to show the sales by each city. Now let's go. Okay, first let's see here is the sales and where are the cities. So here is our city. The city is in a hierarchy about the location. Okay, we can use the location, of course, if we want to take a look at every and each each one of these hierarchies, but in fact we don't want the hierarchy, we want only the city. So here is the cities. Now let's rearrange. Very good. Now here is the cities. Now let's go back to the question. Show the sales by each city. Very good. So I have here the cities. You can say that New York City is the highest. Very good. Now what can we add is to add the label. Now the label here we can see the revenues, the sales that come from these cities, and we can take a look at it like this. This is more readable, I think. So we have all of the cities here. Very good. We can even make this an entire view, but it wouldn't be really good. So let's go back in this. The next thing is I could add a filter. Now, if we right click on the city filter, we can choose the top 10. Okay, so for example, I'll change this to top 10, apply. Okay, now what you see here is the top 20 cities that generate the sales. Now let's fit the entire view. Here we are: New York City, Los Angeles, Seattle, San Francisco, Philadelphia, Houston, Chicago, San Diego, and so on. So we can say that this is the answer of question number 1, and we can also do what? Let's add a filter. Here is a filter about the cities. We can make it a drop down multiple values. So we can simply choose which cities to compare if we want to see some special cities. Okay, and also there is the revenues that these cities generated. Okay, let's choose all. When we choose all, of course, it remembers that this is the top 10 cities that we want to see. Okay, very good. Now this is question number 1. We could also add some coloring. So we'll take the sales, put it over here on the color. We could choose which color, maybe red. Okay, very good. So I think this is more readable like this. Now let's go to question number 2, top 10 products that generate profit. Very good. So we want profit and we want products. Now we have here another hierarchy called product. Inside of it there is the category, subcategory, manufacturer, and the product name. Now we want the product name, and here we go. Let's sort them, but as usual we have a lot of these. So what I want to do is I'll go to the product name. I will filter them up, the top, of course, by sum of profits, and I'll choose the 10 top products. Okay, so here it is. Now let's also make it look like this. Let's I wanna do what? Okay, just a little bit. Okay, so here we are. Let's add the sum. Let's show the entire view. Okay, so now we can take a deeper look. Yes, this is what I wanted to make. Okay, to make it like this. Okay, so here we are showing these. Now let me tell you another little quick hint. What if we wanted, I take a look at the data, of course. What if we wanted to categorize them or make some coloring here by the category? I could simply drag drop this over here, and of course now we can see that the orange one belongs to the technology, and the blue ones belongs to office. Okay, of course I can change the coloring if I want. Double click on it. Okay, now let's go. This is question number 2. Sorry. Now let's go to question number 3. Use time series analysis to show trends. Okay, so this is a dashboard. No, sorry, I want a sheet. So time series analysis means we want to see. Let's go back to show trends. Okay, so let's take the sales, and let's take, where's the date. Okay, let's take the order date. Very good. Now this is, as you can see, this is the year. Let's expand it, the entire view. Very good. What we can do is we could take a look at how many sales we have achieved over these years. So of course we want to make this, let's make it continuous. Okay, so now let's take a look. 2015 we achieved this amount, and so on. We could go up the ladder. Now what I want to add is on some kind of styling or coloring. I'll make this greenish, apply. Okay, so you can see that the colors is grading from more light green into darker green up there. This also reveals what we say about the trending. This is a time series analysis. Okay, so I will add a quick dashboard. Let's rename this into Q3. Okay, so I want to show the trends here. Very good. Okay, where is question number 2? Very good. And I'll make all of these floating. So the cities, this has to be here. The sales, this is the coloring. I don't want the coloring. And the category, let's make it floating because I want to see to which category does this belong to. Now let's increase a little bit the width. Okay, this is much clearer. Okay, here's the city filter. I could simply narrow it a little bit like this. Very good. Now I think this fits right here. Okay, and we have, of course, the category. We could take a look at this, and we have the trends. Now this is a quick demo. Of course, there's a lot more to do, maybe adding filters and so on, but this is a quick demo. So thank you, and goodbye.